Hi, welcome. Hi, hi. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna start. Do you agree it is easy to go from good to bad? It is difficult to go from bad to good. If is this famous saying true? I mean, it is a question of circumstances. There are lessons that are made that make bad people question their actions, which are transformative to the wrong action doer, as well as the good ones at times. There are people who often see themselves making partnership with the wrongdoers in a movie. Is that negative occurrence? Is it a negative occurrence? Does Allah, universe, God, etc., your higher self punish the evil-minded person? Yes. How? Through poor sleep, continual negative chatter in their brains, anxiety, and utter hurtful emotions and feelings. Even sicknesses. What are you talking about, Sana? What are you talking about? How can me thinking and feeling bad about another cause my mind and body damage? Buddha was on the dot accurate with the wisdom he shared. And not only Buddha, almost all positive faiths claim the concept of eye for an eye accuracy as an accurate statement. Let's let's storytell here. Someone gets a job and is filled with hurtful energies towards his family members. If these family members are good-hearted, this part is important, then they will receive recompense for this hurtful energy giver. Justice will be served. In other words, the person who is hurtful towards his family members will dislike their current job, or they will lose their job, or another negative occurrence will substitute for the negativity they projected onto their family members. Law of attraction is real. This claim I just made is based on the law of attraction. This even goes down to hurting bugs. Unless unless the bugs attack you, for example, a mosquito hovering over you, your flesh to bite, you have no right to kill bugs. Instead, use a bug vacuum to return the bugs to their outside home, not inside your home, right? We don't want bugs in our house. It depends on the circumstances. For example, if you have a bug is alive and it's in your food, in your meal, disposing and preferably composting the bug and food is justifiable. I mean, it would be interesting, taking the bug out of their food and putting it outside, but and there's some doubts on that statement. So I can't claim anything on that matter at the moment. So I hope you got some lessons and you built some questions. You question yourself on certain aspects that I'm sharing, and you find solutions. And all the best. Thank you.